Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mahua here, and welcome to my very first video on this YouTube channel. This took me a pretty long time to start my YouTube channel because I was actually contemplating and thinking whether I should start my YouTube channel or not, as how I'll be able to do it, how I'll be able to make videos, make content. But then I thought, unless and until I don't try something, I would not know how good I am at it. And now is the best time. If not now, then when? So here I am presenting you all my YouTube channel, where you'll see a lot of content related to skincare and minimal makeup mainly. Why skincare? Because I love doing my skincare. It has been more than 5 years I've been doing my skincare routine religiously. But I started my skincare back in the school days. But it's been 5 years from when I've been doing it religiously, since I started seeing a lot of acne issues on my skin from the past 4 to 5 years, and that is when I started researching a lot to understand what will suit my skin, what is my skin type, and how to go with it, and what my skin likes and what my skin dislikes. So I thoroughly enjoy my skincare routine, and that's like a therapy to me. I enjoy doing my skincare. So I would want to share my knowledge and experience with you all, so even you can start, so that even you can start your skincare routine and benefit out of it. And nextly, we'll see a minimal makeup looks. I love doing simple and minimal makeup. I'm not somebody who loves to use a lot of foundation, lot of heavy makeup whenever I go for work or any function or anything of any outing with my friends or so. I like to keep my makeup very simple yet presentable. So you'll see different looks for your office, for functions, for wedding guest looks, and so on. And lastly, you'll see some fashion vlogs where I'll show you the clothing items which I have purchased. My purchase which can benefit you, the quality, from where did I get, and what cost I got, what rate I got. And also different I'll also show you different looks out of it. So this is all you will see in this YouTube channel, and if you're interested in any such content, then I'll be very happy if you take a second to subscribe to this channel and also share it among your friends and family, so that they can also get use out of it. And it'll also mean a lot to me to help and grow in my YouTube journey. So that is all about me and this new YouTube channel. Let's get into our first video of this channel. So in our first video, we are going to see why skincare is important and how to start with your skincare journey. So the first question is why skincare is important. We all know that skin is the largest organ in our body, but I see that for taking care of our skin, that is the most neglected part. We take care of our internal health. We go for regular eye checkup. We go for regular dental checkup. We take care of our food habits, our sleep cycle, lifestyle, everything. But when it comes to taking care of your skin, that is the most neglected part. Girls these days have started taking care of their skin, but boys out there are still neglecting their skincare. So I feel that it is the right time to start your skincare journey, and you will definitely see a tremendous results in the future. As we all say that, when you plant a seed today, you can reap the benefits of it from 10 to 15 years down the lane. Similarly, taking care of your skin now will definitely help you and benefit you in the future. When you grow old, your skin will look glowing, so very soft, and it will not look very dull. You'll not have this premature aging or hyperpigmentation and so on, provided that you take a good care of your skin. So it is high time we start with our skincare journey and enjoy all the benefits it has to give us. If you would have noticed the skin of a baby, you would see that their skin is very soft, hydrated, rich in moisture, and glowing 24 by 7. You know what is the reason? The reason is that when you are young, your skin contains a lot of collagen and elastin, and that is the reason for a youthful and beautiful looking skin. But as you age, this collagen and elastin starts reducing year by year, and because of this you see a lot of skin issues like acne, rosacea, eczema, hyperpigmentation, and so on. Even if you have a scar left behind by an acne at this when you are in your 20s and 30s, it takes a lot of time for these scars to fade away. But when you were younger, the scars would have faded away at much faster rate, because your cell turnover rate is much higher when you are younger than that you are at an older age. So considering all these reasons, it's very important that we start taking care of our skin at an earlier age, so that we do not have to face all these issues in the future, because prevention is always easier and always better than taking care of it or trying to cure something which takes a longer duration of time, and it also has an impact on your mental health and confidence. Why I'm saying this? Because as I've told you in the beginning of the video, I started my skincare journey 5 years, I mean religiously 5 years ago, because I had a lot of acne issues, and that literally took a toll on my mental health. I did not feel confident. I did not feel like going out and meeting people apart from my work. That is the only time when I used to step outside my house. But then when I started taking care of my skin, when I started seeing a visible difference, I automatically felt confident. I automatically felt beautiful from within. So all this is to make you feel beautiful, to make you look beautiful. In the end of the day, only when you're happy, you can keep everyone around you happy as well. So I hope you would start with your skincare journey. Now let's jump into the next part, where we'll see how do you start with your skincare journey. So to start with your skincare journey, it is very important to understand what is your skin type. So how do you find what is your exact skin type? There is a simple test which you have to do to identify your skin type. Use a face wash, cleanse your face for good 50 to 60 seconds. Once you have done cleansing your face, wait for at least 2 hours. Once you wait for 2 hours, you observe your face in the mirror and you have a closer look on your face. And if you see that you don't feel anything, you do not see any oiliness or you not see any dryness on your face, it means your skin is normal. Your skin is of the type normal. Secondly, if you see oiliness all around your face, it means your skin is oily. Thirdly, if you feel your skin is dry, dehydrated, and feels very tight, it means your skin is dry. And fourthly, if you see oiliness just around your T-zone and the rest of the face is dry, it means you have a combination skin. So understanding your skin type is very, very important even before you start your skincare journey, because based upon your skin type, you have to choose your products, or else it might not work out no matter how expensive the product is. Now let's see how do we start with our skincare journey once we have identified what is our skin type. So the first step in our skincare journey is cleanser. You have to use a very mild cleanser which would cleanse your face from all the dust, gunk, and all the pollution that was sitting on your face. So once you are done with cleansing your face, the second step is to use a good moisturizer. Yes, a good moisturizer is very important no matter what your skin type. And I know you must be wondering, why did I skip mentioning a toner? See, why do you need a toner? A toner is basically used to restore the pH balance of your face. But the Indian skincare industry has grown tremendously, and we have a lot of good mild cleansers in the market today. Back in the days, all the cleansers which we used to use were very harsh, and that is the reason a toner was a mandatory step those days. But since the cleansers these days that are available in the Indian market are very mild, and you do not require an extra step to restore the pH balance by using a toner. But if you still want to use, and if you still like how it feels on your face, you can go ahead and use the toner. It is completely up to you, but it is the optional step. It is not a mandatory step. So getting back to the moisturizer. So moisturizer is very important irrespective of your skin type. There is a myth, people say that you do not require a moisturizer if you have an oily skin. No, a moisturizer is equally important to an oily for an oily skin as equal it is for a dry skin. Why? Because when you apply a moisturizer on your oily skin, your skin starts your skin stops producing excess oil production, and it maintains the hydration on the skin. But if you skip using a moisturizer, you feel that your skin is very heavy after using a moisturizer. Then it is because you're not using the right kind of a moisturizer for your particular skin type. So use a good moisturizer to keep your skin soft, supple, hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. Thirdly, we have the sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most important step. No matter where you go and at what time you go, I mean till 6 p.m. in the evening, it's very important that you use a good sunscreen. A sunscreen is very important to protect your skin from the harsh UV radiations of the sun. Why? Because if you do not take care of your skin by protecting it, you are prone to sunspots and skin cancer and premature aging, which we do not want all that. So start using a good sunscreen, even if it is raining or cloudy, or it is winter. No matter what is the weather condition, it is very important you use a sunscreen, whether you're going outdoor or you're sitting inside and working from home. Even if you're sitting near a window, the sun exposure is there as it is there when you go outside. So do not skip a sunscreen. Use a good amount of sunscreen. Do not use just a dot on all the four sides and you're done with it. Do not do that. Use proper quantity. The a good quantity that you have to use is a 2-finger rule, where you use 2 fingers quantity of sunscreen on your face and neck. And do not forget your ear also, because your ear is also exposed to the sun. So use a good sunscreen to protect your skin, so that your skin can protect you from the inside properly. So this was about the morning skincare routine. No matter it is a man or a woman, please start doing your skincare routine. It is just 3 steps. It will hardly take you 5 minutes to do it. So please start doing it. You have 24 hours in a day, and I don't think that sparing 5 minutes will take a long duration for you. So please, 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 I highly request that you start with your skincare journey. So nextly, we'll see your night skincare routine. So your morning skincare routine is done. Your night skincare routine is as same as your morning skincare routine, but the only thing which you will skip here is the sunscreen. Yes, use the same cleanser which you use in the morning, and then follow up with a moisturizer, and done. You are good to go to bed. So that's it. And additionally, if you have any skin concerns, say you have acne, you have pigmentation, or you want to fade some dark spots, you want some glow on your face, there are a lot of active based ingredients which you can use to take care of your skin concerns. So that all these things we'll see in the upcoming videos. Skincare is a part of your healthy lifestyle, you guys. Why do you eat healthy? So that you remain healthy. Similarly, to keep your skin healthy, you have to make the right choices of products and use the right product on your skin, so that your skin can remain healthy throughout your life. Skincare is like an investment. Why do you invest in share markets and buying gold and buying property? Because you can reap its benefits in the future from 15 to 30 years down the lane, right? Similarly, you take care of your skin right now, your skin will take care of you in the future. Because I say this out of personal experience. If you see my pictures, 5 years ago, I'll put a picture. You would see I would have had lot of acne all over my face, and that was a painful phase of my life. It used to be so painful, I cannot describe in words. But I took the decision to take care of my skin, use the right products, and then here I am today, where I still face issues, I still get acne, but it is not as severe as it used to be 5 years back then. And if you see today, I have got scars, I have got few active acnes, but I do not have so many. Yeah, I do not have any makeup as such in my face today. I have just used a tinted lip balm and nothing else. It is only sunscreen. It is only sunscreen that I have on my skin and nothing else. So even if you want to have a beautiful looking glowing skin, take care of your skin, and this is the right time to start. So if you've already started with your skincare journey, I'm so happy and proud of you. But if you have not started, this is the right time to start with your skincare journey. It is not late. Start with your skincare journey and you will thank yourself in the future. So that's it from my side in today's video. If you found this video helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you have any particular video requests from me. I'll be very happy to do that for you. So that's it from my side. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found this video informative. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.